Good morning, dear student, class 9. Today I will teach you about chapter 3 and topic is operating system OS. In the previous class, we are discussing about some computers software and just we are discussing a system software that is called operating system. Operating system is a system software. It is control all the components of your computer, and the software that control and manage the hardware is known as the operating system. Students, in this topic we will learn about what is the role and function of operating system. Just there are some commonly used OS are used here. In other words, we can say that OS enable a user to conveniently handle the computer and make it use of hardware. All the hardware components are interact with computer and responding in different way, and it's managed by the OS operating system. OS device how and when take it should be done. Suppose you visit a restaurant. Suppose हम लोग कोई वर्क करते हैं. Suppose you are visit in restaurant and place order. हम लोग कुछ order करते हैं, and after that many processing it will be provide services. Your order will be taken by the waiter. Your order will be processed by the cook. Your order will be served by the waiter. The bill will be generated by the cashier. Different tasks are doing by the different person in a restaurant. All the activity will be controlled and managed and executed by the manager of the hotel. The restaurant is responsible for how the order is taken by the waiter and how it is processed by the cook. Same way in the computer, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer are doing their different work and manage all the work by the manager, that is called a operating system, and it is also interface between user and hardware, that is called a operating system. Now we will learn about some uh, hardware components. The primary task of OS is to make the computer system useful as well as user friendly. Operating system make our computer useful and user friendly, and a secondary take it used to computer hardware in waste way. कंप्यूटर के हार्डवेयर को वेस्ट वे में ये डिस्प्ले करता है, परफॉर्म करता है. द मेजर कंपोनेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर ecosystem are as follow: hardware, memory. Hardware are used to different work in computer. Memory are used to store data inside computer. Operating system used to manage all the components of your computer and operation of your computer. User are generally used to work computer. The function of hardware is provide basic computing resources such as CPU. The application program define the way in which resources are used to solve computer problem of the user. OS control and coordinate all the usage of hardware, whereas the user perform the computing task by application software. And now we will discuss about the device drive. Device drive. Device drive is a place inside your computer and that are used to store data. A number of peripheral devices, many devices, peripheral device that are connected to the computer is called a peripheral device, such as printer, modem, mouse, keyboard are usually attached to computer is called a peripheral device. The OS give command to manage and control the devices attached to the computer. All the devices that are attached with computer is managed by the operating system. A device drive is a specially written program that converts the commands given by the OS into a format that is easily understood by the peripheral devices. Every single piece of hardware, such as monitor, printer, keyboard, modem, has its corresponding drives. Devices manufactured by different manufacturers and need different drive to run. For example, a scanner manufactured by the Canon will be supported by the driver manufactured by the HP. Therefore, you use printer without a correct drive, it may not function properly. Next, it is utility software. Now we will learn utility software. Utility software are generally used to manage your computer. It is also a system software. It is also known as service program, service routine, service tool, or utility routine. Utility are defined as those helpful software that computer to perform various functions such as analyzing and configuration of data, scanning utility, and removable obsolete file folder, and also help recover data. Device and virus cleaning utility ensure that the computer is not likely to affected by the malicious code as like virus of the computer. The different type of utility software are as follow, as like text editor. Text editor. Text editor is a utility software and generally used to write your text, edit your text. You can type any textual content in the language provided by the text editor, such as Hindi, English, French, German, any language we can use to write with help of the text editor. And the same way we also use to, next topic we will learn about backup utility. Backup utility. Students, just we are know that backup utility are very helpful utility of your computer. Many time there is chances of damage your hard disk and damage your memory. In case of we are used to take your data as a backup in different location. हम लोग अपने डेटा को कहीं अलग जगह पे सेव कर लेते हैं as a form of backup, and it is very useful when we are use that data when you lost data from your computer. The backup utility software help the resources data in general backup significance duplicate the data stored in the permanent storage disk. Compression utility. Compression utility. The compression utility facilitate compression of file. Compression utility are used to compress your file whenever we are used to make a large file. Compression utility are used to store your file in short form in the reduce the size of the file. फाइल के साइज को कम करता है, रिड्यूस करके स्टोर करता है हमारे डिस्क में. That is not take enough space in your computer. उसी तरह disk defragmentation is a utility software and it is used to disk defragmentation utility program that try to minimize the fragmentation of the disk. Suppose disk में unnecessary space बचा रहता है, उस स्पेस को यूटिलाइज करता है डिस्क डिफ्रैगमेंटेशन ऑप्शन, एंड द OS defragment file when they become too large to be stored at a single location. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is also a utility software. It is also used to secure your system with virus. Sometimes we are facing problem with virus and we are damage our file, we are slow down your computer and your computer is not proper working. Often it is hanged with the virus, and antivirus are used to scan virus and fast and smooth your computer. A virus is a piece of program code usually designed as some other program or application that cause some unexpected and unusually undesirable event. Virus can be transmitted as attachment to an email as download. हम लोग डाउनलोड करते हैं, अटैचमेंट ओपन करते हैं, वायरस आने के चांसेस रहते हैं. एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर is make secure our computer from the virus, and it is also called a utility software. Antivirus software protect your computer from unexpected virus attacks. Apart from the protecting your system, antivirus software perform the following tasks: delete the name of virus, delete the name of infected file. Most of the antivirus software come with the alert. By changing the setting of the antivirus software with regular update antivirus, हम लोग एंटीवायरस को रेगुलरली अपडेट करते रहते हैं सो दैट कि वायरस के इफेक्ट ना आए अपने कंप्यूटर्स में, एंड कंप्यूटर कैन बी परफॉर्म स्मूथली एंड फास्टली. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट सम utilities software, and next topic, exploring application software, we will discuss in the next classes. Thanks all of you.